Hi friends, myself D.K. Narole, working as an assistant professor in Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. Previous video we will study the inorganic reaction mechanism part first. In this video we will study the remaining part of the topic. Last lecture, introduction, classification of mechanism, SN1 and SN2 reaction for the inert and level complexes already studied. In this video we will study the mechanism of substitution in cobalt 3 complexes, octahedral complexes, trans effect and its theory, application of trans effect in synthesis of platinum 2 complexes. Introduction of this topic, dissociative mechanism, energy profile diagram, associative mechanism, energy profile diagram, interchange mechanism, its energy profile diagram, rate determining step, SN1 and SN2 reaction for the inert and labile complexes, unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction by its mechanism, bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction and its. In this video we will study the mechanism of substitution in cobalt 3 octahedral complexes. In hydrolysis reaction, hydrolysis means and acid hydrolysis, base hydrolysis and anion reaction. Acid hydrolysis, in if the product of octahedral complexes contain water molecule or OH groups is called as a hydrolysis. These are the substitution reaction in which ligand is replaced by water molecule or hydroxy group, that is OH minus group, that called as a hydrolysis. In acid hydrolysis, the reaction in which aqua complex is formed by the replacement of ligand by H2O molecule are called as a acid hydrolysis or aquation reaction. In base hydrolysis, the reaction in which hydroxy complex is formed by the replacement of ligand by OH groups, OH minus group, are called as a base hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis, the acid hydrolysis means if the product of octahedral complex contain H2O molecule or aqua group, then the reaction is called as a acid hydrolysis. Reaction occurs in neutral and acid solution pH is 3. Rate is independent of water molecule. The reaction run is a pentamine chlorocobalt 2 plus water molecule reacts with water molecule to form a product contain aqua group, that is called as a acid hydrolysis. Actual mechanism, this reaction is depends on only one cobalt complexes, not depends on the H2O molecule, because the reaction run that time H2O molecule is require higher concentration, that appears constant. Rate is equal to K into cobalt complex. Mechanism of acid hydrolysis, dissociative mechanism. This cobalt complex first dissociate the leaving ligand, that is chloro group, then reacts with water molecule to form a aqua complex of cobalt. Then the associative mechanism, the cobalt complex reacts with water molecule to form a complex chlorohydroxo cobalt complexes, and then remove a leaving group, that is chloro group, then form a aqua complex. Factor affecting the acid hydrolysis. First factor, effect of steric factor in crowding of reaction center may favor dissociative process. In basic pyridine ligands, substituted pyridine ligand shows higher the dissociative process, a dissociative reaction mechanism. Second effect of increase in electron density around the central metal atom. Due to inductive effect, rate increases. Increased alkyl substitution will distort the electron density toward the metal atom and favor the dissociative process. Third, effect of charge on the complex. The rate decreases with increase in overall charge on the metal or the complex. This indicates the dissociative process. Third point is effect of leaving group. Ligand possessing lone pair of electron favor dissociative process, and ligand which withdraw electron from the metal centers by delocalization of electron pair favors associative process. Second, base catalyzed hydrolysis. If the product of octahedral complex one of the ligand is replaced by OH hydroxy group, then the called as a base hydrolysis. Substitution of reaction of cobalt 3 amine complexes are catalyzed by OH hydroxy group, OH minus. Then the cobalt amine complex plus OH group, then the former hydroxy group plus X minus. Experimentally determined rate is equal to K into cobalt complex into OH minus. Actual reaction mechanism, the conjugate base mechanism is formed in the reaction mechanism. In first step, cobalt amine complex plus OH, then to give amido complex. This OH is act as a Bronsted base, and in the amine ligand H is act as a Bronsted acid. Then the to form a water molecule and complexes form a amido complexes. This reaction is fast reaction. These amido complexes eliminate the anion ligand X leaving group. Then the reaction is slow reaction. Then these amido complex react with water molecule to form again hydroxy group is involved in cobalt complexes and remove the water molecule. Amine complexes. Pentamine hydroxy cobalt 2 plus. This reaction is known as SN1CB mechanism. That is the conjugate base unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. That not only SN1 reaction. Third is anation reaction. Aqua ligand or water molecule is replaced from coordination complex or coordination cell by any anionic ligand, by some anion ligand, then called as an anation reaction. It is the reverse of acid hydrolysis reaction. These are the biomolecular and the rate dependent on the concentration of the complex and anion ligand. Actual reaction, cobalt aqua pentamine cobalt 3 reacts with X minus to form this water molecule is replaced by anionic ligand, that is X. Next point is the trans effect and its theory. This theory is discovered by Werner 1983 and elaborated or again forwarded by Chernew 1926. What is trans effect? The trans effect is defined as the effect of coordinated ligand upon the rate of substitution of ligand opposite to it. That is, the ligand is already present, may be strongly guide or direct the substitution at at trans position, that is bond between metal and ligand or trans position is weakened. In trans influence series, priority of trans influence, first of all, for example, cis complex, metal X and Y ligands. Y is spectator ligand, X is living ligand, labile, that is living ligand. T is thiourea or trans-directing ligand. In the formation of cis complex, first of all, the X is more labile, that is position of X is given by the T. Then again react with T, then the more T is trans-directing, that is the bond between metal and ligand at trans position is the weakened. That's why Y is weak. Then T react with the direct transposition of the T. Again this T reacts to form a more labile X. Then the go to the position of T. Again react to T to form for all metals with or T, that is trans-directing groups or ligands. Second, trans complex, the XX and YY, then T reacts with T reacts, then the X is more labile, that gives a position of X, and again T reacts to form replacement of X, then the gives the trans complex formations. The actual example of the trans cis or trans complexes, the before the studying, the priority of trans influence is more is ethylene ligand, then chloro ligand, and then amine ligand. In first example, the formation of cis complex, 3 are chlorine ligands and 1 is amine, then reacts with ethylene ligand to actual replacement of this Cl by ethylene ligand and removal of the Cl minus. This complex is cis complex. And again second trans complex, then this is more priority of ethylene group, then this ligand is weak, then the low priority group will be replaced by this Cl and they form the trans complex. Totally cross the metal of the same ligand, that's called as a trans ligands. Before the starting the further weakening of the PTX bond and stabilization of the presumed 5 coordinated trigonal bipyramidal transition state, activation energy, that is the main difference of the trans influence is the ground state of the reactant and first transition state and its relation with in the energy, ground state energy, and this B diagram shows the more influence easier of the different ground state energy and the transition state energy is more, that is easily leave the trans ligand, that is the trans of the metal ligands are removed easily, and this is the ground stated and this is excited state and this the combination of A and B. In this diagram shows platinum complex, this is living ligand and this is trans ligand. The bond between T and PT shows major orbitals are appeared consumed the lobes, and but in the PTX bond is length of PTX is larger, that's why easily leave the X bond. Theories of trans effect, two theories, the polarization theory first and second is pi bond theory. The overall dipole generator are zero, hence no trans effect are observed in the first diagram. Metal with same ligand 4R are 4 ligand, there is no polarization, dipole moment is cancelled. This example is not shows the trans effect. The dipole ligand X and T are opposite to each other, therefore dipole do not cancel each other. Due to larger size, T has higher polarizability than the X. T has a higher polarizability than the X. That's why these two X bond metal X bond are shortened, and this is weak and elongated bond. That's why these opposite of trans ligand is easily lived by X. Second, the pi bond theory. According to this theory, vacant pi or pi orbital of ligand accept back donated of electron density from the filled d orbital of the metal, that is the dx and dyz, to form a metal ligand pi bond. Either this is a p pi d pi bond, and in this way d pi bond. Actual pi coordinated bond in this reaction, to a L is ligand, X is leaving ligand, and T is transdirecting ligand, reacts with Y entering ligand, then to form a 5 coordinated bonds. This trans ligand X leaving ligand weaken this leave easily cleavage of PTX bond and to form a trans ligand. Synthetic application of the trans effect of PT2 complexes. First example, in 4-tetramine platinum reacts with Cl, then one NH3 is replaced by Cl, again Cl react to form a trans complex. B example, all tetrachloroplatinate reacts with NH3, lower priority than the Cl, but NH3 is replaced by Cl, again NH3 to form a cis complex. So because of Cl is strong than the NH3, that's why Cl is replaced by the NH3, that is the cis complex. Again this example, NH3 pyridine is more stronger, Cl is replaced by, again Cl is more stronger than pyridine, that is pyridine is replaced by Cl, again Cl is replaced by this pyridine to form a trans complex. Again pyridine Cl is replaced by NHCl, and again Cl, again NH3 replaced by Cl to form a trans complexes. In this example, fifth example, Cl is replaced by NH3, pyridine, then again Cl react to replaced by the transposition. This NH3 is PT-NH3 bond is weak, then the form a trans complex. Next example, diamine dipyridine platinate reacts with Cl is NH3 replaced by Cl, again Cl react to pyridine is replaced by, that is the formation of trans complex. Next example, pyridine. In pyridine Cl is replaced by pyridine, again trans complex, again Cl is replaced by pyridine. In last example, pyridine is replaced by NH3 replaced by pyridine, then pyridine again replaced by Cl to form a cis complexes. All these examples. Thank you for listening.